The Department of Social Services, in collaboration with the Department of Public Health, the Department of Behavioral Health, and the Public Information Officer, has opened the Sunnyside Vaccination Clinic, located at the DSS Sunnyside office. This vaccination clinic, which was previously a closed clinic serving special populations, is now open to the public. The COVID-19 vaccines are safe and effective, with over 189 million doses already being administered. Studies show that the vaccines are effective at keeping the population from potentially getting COVID-19. Getting vaccinated is an important tool to help us get back to normal. Beginning April 5th, COVID-19 vaccination appointments at the Sunnyside Clinic will be released to the statewide My Turn registration website.
Our main goal with the vaccine and those prevention measures is to prevent hospitalization and prevent severe disease. As you see, for us to get back into the red tier, orange tier, and get back to our normal lives, vaccine is going to be one of those major items that help us get back to a normal life.
I've known about vaccines ever since my very first day of medical school. So even though these vaccines were developed very quickly, the science of vaccines has been developing for centuries. They're extremely safe, extremely effective. They are medical miracles. I mean, when you think about all of the diseases in the history of mankind that have been eradicated, we don't hear about them anymore because of vaccines. Vaccines work. They work to protect millions of people. And here we've used all of the knowledge that we've gained from developing vaccines for the last 200 years. And we've kind of recruited all of that knowledge and all of those scientists to apply to this new problem. The way all vaccines work is they train your own immune system. It really depends on the immune system in order to do, the protection that it affords. The immune system will let you know whenever it's kicking it into high gear. And the way that it does that is it basically, mounts a fever. It gives you sore bones and sore muscles, just as all of those immune cells are kind of revving up. So evolutionarily, these are all, very important ways that our body teaches us that, hey, you're coming down with an illness, go ahead and go to bed. And that's what most people describe, is that, that day or the day after, they're going to have a couple of rough hours. And some people can take Tylenol or Motrin in order to really prevent even that. And that's totally okay to do. But that's really as bad as it gets. The site where they inject you might get a little bit sore. You can use an ice pack to really decrease the amount of soreness right after you get that injection. Besides that, it's just like a flu shot, which really most people tolerate extremely well, which is minimal discomfort.
I'm fine. Just like any other vaccination or any other shots that you go and get a shot. It doesn't feel no pain, no nothing. Just a little shot there, and that's it. Normally, that's how life should be, and then you'll be okay. It's not that bad.
I guess I did have some side effects from the first injection. I have some health issues that made it a little rough, so it took about a week, and then I was feeling better.
It was good. It helped me a lot. I had a slight fever a few days after, but I'm fine now. I got over it, within a few hours. I was fine.
Everybody's body is different, so what somebody's reaction is may not be your experience, and what your experience is may be something that you can overcome.
It was good. I had no issues. A little sore, but other than that, everything was good.
And so you're going to get a lot of education when you come to the clinic. When you come to one of our clinics, we are going to care for you, and we're going to make sure you receive a vaccine in a safe, efficient manner, and we want to provide that to you.
I've been working here at the DSS area, helping the team with giving the COVID vaccines. The process of getting a vaccine is easy. Once you have an appointment, you come. The wait times for being seen are very short. Then afterwards, we'll keep a real close eye on you after vaccination to make sure everything's okay.
I think we've been hearing a lot of this when we first started vaccination, and still today. So I really take, everybody goes a different way to get through, trust somebody or something. And so We're working with a lot of community-based organizations that are saying yes to this vaccine. Central Valley Regional Center, our Exceptional Parents Unlimited, Building Healthy Communities, Jakara Movement, and really working with us to really have everybody in the community really believe and trust in this.
As tragic as the coronavirus pandemic has been, this is the fastest vaccine rollout ever. We've already given millions of doses in California alone, and we've had very good track records in terms of the safety profile.
So if you go to our website, Department of Public Health, the COVID vaccine link, this is where you're going to find all the resources and how to sign up for an appointment. You can sign up at the fairgrounds right on our website, and also our Sunnyside clinic. You are able to connect that way as well. You're going to see on our website, myturn.ca.gov. That actually will be the new transition where everybody in the state of California will be able to sign up through a vaccine through that one link.
You should get it. It's very important, and it can save your life. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of people done passed, behind it. So, and behind not getting it, I mean. It's important, that you get it, because it can help you, not only you, but your family and the ones around you that are close to you. Just think about it, think twice about it, because it's your life on the line. At the same time, we all need it, we need to care for each other, and ourselves as well, enough to, to participate. It's very important to do so.
Well, with the job that we work with highly risk, because of their age. And I would feel bad that if I exposed her and something would happen to her. And even though the side effects can be really scary and bad to experience, it's worth all that, if you can prevent a death or exposure to any of your loved ones. So it's very important to get the shot, get vaccinated to protect yourself and others.
Oh, it's so worth it. It doesn't take any time. It doesn't hurt. The benefits are so rewarding with your family. Knowing you're doing your part really makes a difference.
I feel great. I feel like I'm ready. I'm ready to go out there and give my services without being afraid.
So the vaccine protects you from getting a disease and the virus. But what we don't know quite yet, does it prevent you from passing it on to somebody else? The CDC and other scientists are actually studying that right now. So once we find that out on transmission, we can reevaluate that. But for now, wear your mask. Social distance is the best way to prevent further transmission.
Someday we will be able to get the masks, out of our lives. It's going to happen. For that to happen, we just need to have everyone protected. So we're not there yet. We're making strides. So that's why we got to still keep wearing masks, because there's still thousands and hundreds of thousands of people that still don't have the vaccine, and they're still vulnerable because they haven't had COVID, so they're not immune to the virus yet. We really want people to get the vaccine, which is much safer, but that takes time. And until the herd immunity has been established and proven, we're going to need to keep wearing masks. People need to come in and get their vaccines, and they need to sign up. But really, for everyone, whenever it's your turn, take time out, get registered, but go get your shot. It's really important. We really need everyone to think about doing that whenever their turn comes up, so that we can get to herd immunity.
Me, I did it because I want to protect my loved ones and people around me. I want to get back to normal.
Not only protect myself, considering I do have underlying health issues, but also to protect the community. I could be a carrier, and not know. And, I care for my parents that are sick as well. So, to keep me safe as well as our community.
It's important that we do this because we need each other. You need to participate within helping each other, guiding each other, and leading each other to how to get help. If you don't know how to do it, try and figure it out. Ask the same person that gave you the shot. If they can help you or guide you to help others, we need this. This is important. It's sad, my heart go out to everyone, because I love all of us. We all got children. It is no color. I don't see no color. We all human. We have feelings. We all have emotions. We need to love each other.
Please come and get your shots, because This is very, very important for you, for the rest of your life. You want to take care of yourself as much as you want to take care of others. You get your shot somehow, some way. You may experience pain or not, but that's only the pinch of your life. The long run in your life, this is what will get you to help save others. Save yourself, save others, help them better, because
I feel like I could finally go to my daughter's wedding. Um, I can play with the kids. There's so many things I can do to resume my old life that makes it worth it.
It's an absolute must. We have to stop this virus in its tracks. And this is about the only way I can think of to do it.
Like I said, do your homework. Don't be scared of this. Don't be concerned about some of the conspiracies and things that you're hearing. These vaccines are safe. They're effective. They will protect you and your loved ones, and they will get us back to normalcy as soon as possible. So these are really the breakthrough that we've all been praying for the last year. And now that it's here, it's time for us to do our part and step up and get our shots.
We're all going to need everybody to go out, get vaccinated, really use those preventive measures as well. But it's a great time. We have good, safe and effective vaccine out there. Let's get this done early so we can get back to our normal everyday life.
Don't be scared. Let's just do it. If all of us just step out of our comfort zone and do it, we'll all be protected. We have to sit and think, to get it and take that chance of something happening or protect ourselves, so that we can possibly continue to help others.
Get vaccinated, to, like I said, to keep helping out, and protect us, all of us from this disease. And hopefully we could get back to normal soon.
We need this. We need each other to empower each other, encourage each other every day. Don't give up. Like my mother used to say, give out but never give up. You're going to make it. Just keep pushing forward. Do your part. Your part makes a big difference in everyone's lives, not only your own. And you just do your part.
I'm glad I got it taken care of, but it is definitely worth, like I said, going through that. Just knowing that I'm safe, I'm protecting my family and anybody else that I come in contact with.
so please come and help yourself and help others. It's free, so come and get it. How many times in lifetime does somebody give you some free to help yourself better, yourself and your family? Okay, so please come. It's just a full formal chair for you. So come on. We fight this hard to help our family. So we have to fight to get their life on the line too. Okay, thank you.
If you're in doubt about getting it done, get it done. Don't waver. It's too important to not get it done.
Don't be afraid. Go and get it. It's simple. It doesn't hurt. You feel better when it's all over. You know you've done your part, and you live to see another day.
Step up and get vaccinated.